3, 4, 5 phases of possession have been good enough. St. Mary's, though, have had the lion's share of the ball. Skip pass to the outside. Big fend from the 13.
There's Sammy. Get him, Sam.
Ball gets away still.
Okay, Sam got her. And then
Finds the inside.
Backs off.
Goes for the forwards. The 4-on-4. That's Delzell getting tackled by Clintworth. They come back to the short side. Wakavesi with the shake. Wakavesi been so elusive in this game. Now resets. Stolen by BYU. And they're going to say he was bridging as well in that situation. Vaitohi looked to be in a good position, but the fundamental mistake here is that you must support your own weight. The timing on this ball, right there where the hands go to the ground in the bridging as he went over the top of it.
Yeah, this is exactly what we saw earlier in the game, where there was a penalty on St. Mary's for putting hands on the ground. You got to go directly to the ball. You can't be holding yourself up on the ground. We
used to call it bridging, but now another error from BYU, and St. Mary's in the attacking position, stolen by BYU.
Okay.
Big crucial win on the defensive block. That was Jake Barker high in the air. Read well by the BYU defense. Vaitohi now with the drive forward. 10 meters out of his own line, out of the touch zone. And the driving kick from Perry. Takes a fortunate bounce, and that's a great clearance kick from Perry. Just inside of halfway. It's all come through Bisag and Wakavesi. Wakavesi with it again now. Finds the inside ball. Toya Val gets the ball away.
Sam, get it. That was Sam.
And it's KOC. Great interplay. That inside ball worked for them on the opening score, and it does again.
You're gonna be working on your tackle.
The gift, I will call it, maybe a little prophetic. Wakavesi with the inside ball right there to Toya
Sam
Val.
missed the last
And then
tackle.
the break to the right side with KOC running a great forward support line. The quick little fend.
That guy missed it.
With the conversion still to come. Absolutely clinical attack. They called that inside ball the whole time. The reaction there. That's exactly what you want if you are St. Mary's in this position on the road. A tough opponent. You are so far away from your home in Frankfurt with lineouts and scrums so crucial because it forces the entire forward pack to be in one place. That ball taken high off the top from the number 4 Clintworth. Good pressure defense again, cleaned up by the captain, number 8, Austin, as he drives forward. This St. Mary's line defense has been impressive, Tosh. It's been the difference maker in this game.
Yeah, they really have. They're just smothering the BYU backline there. And that's when you saw this one was knock-on advantage, of course. But
a tactically skilled front rower that you can adjust. Ball comes in for BYU. Holding at the back. They come to the right side. Skip all over the top.
Oh, gosh.
This pass taken by St.
That throw was high, though.
Toya Val might go all
That
the
throw
way
was
on this
high,
pass.
though.
And
Yeah,
he
well,
does.
they thought, I think everyone thought he was going to throw it to the other guy.
It was the skip pass from Sebo trying to find Belknap on the outside. So Sebo had the gap and read it right. Tried to throw the ball over the top to Belknap. As we wait for the replay here.
Yeah.
He's like the newest player. They know he's going to whip it.
Right.
Threw it right behind him. And then you see Toya Val with just the presence and hand speed and foot speed and hands to be able to take the big splashdown finish on the ground by the number 7, Keochi. So that ball was stolen cleanly initially, knocked backwards, says the head referee, and then right on the ground on the next ball, I believe, is when he says it was knocked on. Nope, sorry, we'd have to go back one more phase. So now, again, right near midfield, here's BYU with another feed on their scrum, but not able to mount anything with it. When you talk about rugby IQ, if you're that 10 in this position, you have to have some kind of practiced set piece that you can play here to make a run at the goal line and to apply some pressure. Excuse me. There's
he got him.
Finding the ground.
Look at that. Look at that.
And I believe will be knocked on by
I got that on video.
That ball
Great quality.
comes out right there and is knocked on as he steps over it.
yeah, I think it's not releasing there by St. Mary's.
Against the head. And then picking up off the blind side.
Oh, what is it? I don't know if that's legal, but he did.
Nobody's there. Toya Val still on his feet, looking for the offload. Gets it away to the number 6. That's 8, Ben Austin, the captain, trying to do something to marshal anything for his team. That ball not taken well into the breakdown. The offload here, I believe this is Matu to the number, or no, Toya Bao
Yep,
to the
that's
number
him.
6.
You can see the orange.
Yeah.
And then you see the attempt from the captain there, right where he puts his hands on the ground before he hits goes for the ball, and that's where the foul is drawn from Austin. So an attempt for 3 points now with time of
There he is. There's his orange shoes.
No. That might be someone else, Mom. Oh, that might be him?
No,
Yeah, that's him. That's him. Because he said his number was 23. That's him. That's him at the top. Look, there he is. There he is. You see him. Yes. Got right in there.
Wyatt Perry tries the chip over the top. Go back to the having the advantage of leading the dangerous tackle. Yeah, dump tackle, picked him up, dropped him.
Sam with that tackle? He was there. for
I
the
think
tackle.
so, yes.
Was he the one that's guilty of the illegal tackle?
No, I don't think so.
For BYU. So they'd still like to finish out strong.
Definitely. I mean, continue playing. I mean, take some risks at this point, right? And take a few extra shots. See if they stick, just to try to get some points on the board here. Some other substitutions being made. Camden, Erickson going in towards that Mendenhall.
Yeah.
Zed.
Got a bit of a limp there. Ball to the back. Fontaine wants it. Goes to Simu. Gets it to Perry. Big skip.
That's Sam. That's Sam on the right.
Straight through the middle. Offloads there.
Come on,
back
come
to
on.
Perry. Tries to
Keep it in. Keep it. Ah!
Oh, Sam.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Pass it in. Pass it in. Pass it in.
Replacement on the carry. Again, trying to go back to that sideline. Through drawn, passed it by Campbell and Ross, wins the ball, makes the pass to Brooke, who's gonna cross the line and he gets the ball now. For a late BYU try.
Alright.
Brooke by Toki with the score. Cole
I
takes
see
the
Sam
ball.
moving up.
He's gonna return it straight back. Off the foot of the light fullback. Thinks about the pass and then goes high.
Go right now.
This is Campbell. Takes it. Gets the offload. Forward pass there. Yeah, BYU looked like they had a good counter attack there. Really maybe just pushed their luck a little bit too much there.
Yep, I think just hold on to it just a little, a little longer than you needed to.
How much time is left in the game? I thought they were in the last 5 minutes. 5 minutes ago.
You're